The Mojuraa Randall collection is a chestnut brown leather-covered sofa that offers a high degree of support and comfort. The sofa has a moderate amount of bounce with minimal sinkage and a soft firmness. The leather is scratch-resistant, soft to the touch, and the whole design of the sofa is solid. Is it the right choice for your home? Let's go ahead and find out now.
This video is sponsored by NapLab. NapLab is our sister channel where we put mattresses to the test. We test mattresses through our battery of 9 different tests to create the most objective, transparent, and helpful reviews possible. If you're in the market for a new mattress and need help, visit us over at naplab.com or on our channel at YouTube.
To test the comfort and performance of the Mojuraa Randall, we take subjective measurements of 5 different factors. Balance for the Mojuraa Randall was moderate. We test this by dropping a 12-pound medicine ball on the cushions of the sofa and observing the amount of bounce. In the case of the Randall, the seat cushions offered a good amount of pushback against the ball, flinging it back into the air midway up the back cushions. The more bounce, the easier it is to move around on the sofa when needed. Sinkage is surprisingly minimal considering how soft the cushions are. Lighter bodies will tend to float more on top of the cushions, while heavier weights will sink deeper into the foam. Pressure relief on the Mojuraa Randall is excellent. The high-density polyfoams and pocketed coil support system create a supportive and comfortable surface. In addition, the back cushions are plush and offer a good amount of material to sit against and relieve pressure points. That said, the arms are a bit lacking, and without your own pillows, they could become uncomfortable over extended sitting periods. As mentioned above, the pocketed coil and high-density polyfoams combine into a highly supportive cushion. That, in combination with a sturdy wooden frame, creates a supportive sofa for sitting or lounging. We found the Mojuraa Randall sofa to be a soft couch. We place it at a 5.5 out of 10, where 10 is the most firm on the firmness scale. This level of firmness, while a little softer, when combined with a high degree of support, should be comfortable for most people. Assembly for the Mojuraa Randall sofa takes some time. With 2 people, it took 20 minutes. The process mostly involves attaching the legs to the base via a provided Allen wrench. In addition, the cushions are intelligently stored inside the base of the sofa for shipping. It makes the packaging more condensed and provides a convenient location for storing the cushions. When the cushions are removed, you will need to remove the fabric straps, revealing the Velcro, which attaches to the back of the sofa. The back of the sofa can be unfolded to allow more real estate for the Velcro. In addition, fabric straps can also be removed from the seat cushions, allowing them to stick to the base as well. The Mojuraa Randall collection comes in one color at the time of this video, chestnut brown. This color comes from the oil wax leather that covers the majority of the sofa. The leather is soft to the touch and seems fairly scratch resistant. While there is only one color option, there are many different size options to choose from. We tested the 3-seater with an ottoman option and found it to have a pleasing aesthetic. The oil wax leather has a nice look with some minor but intended color variation to give it a blended feel. The legs are simple wooden blocks that screw into the base via a bolt. They are low to the ground, providing only 2 inches of height for the sofa. They look nice, are mostly unassuming, and seem plenty sturdy so as to not damage themselves or the sofa. In addition, they come with pads to help prevent scratches on the floor, which is a nice touch. The base of the Mojuraa Randall is made of wood and covered mostly with the oil wax leather. However, this base offers 2 unique features. The first being a storage area under the sofa, mainly for the back cushions. While this doesn't have a huge practical impact, it does reduce shipping size and packaging. Second is the folding back of the sofa. This again reduces shipping size, but also provides a variant for the sofa if you choose to go without back cushions. The seat cushions are plush, filled with high-density polyfoam and pocketed coils, and covered in the oil wax leather. This cover can be removed or opened if needed via the zipper. On the bottom of the cover are 2 straps of Velcro that can be used to secure the seat cushion to the base of the sofa. This feature tends to work better for the seat cushions than the back, but on both I found the amount of actual fabric the cushion could stick to was lacking. In both cases, if not all of them, one of the Velcro straps would not be fully connected to the sofa. However, this wasn't an issue if the movement of the sofa is kept to a minimum. If people start to jump around or quickly move across the sofa, I could see these cushions becoming displaced. The back cushions on the Mojuraa Randall are filled with a mix of recycled fiber, polyfoam, and cotton. This gives the back cushions a much softer feel than the high-density support foams used in the seat cushions. Again, the cushion can be opened via a zipper, showing the materials inside. There are also straps of Velcro on the back of these cushions, and I experienced the same issue with these as with the seat cushions. In the case of the back cushions, it seems they could be more easily disconnected. The arms on the Mojuraa Randall are fairly basic. They offer minimal padding, are covered with oil wax leather, and offer a square design. Depending on which option you choose, you may not get the ottoman with the sofa. The ottoman is similar in design to the sofa in many ways. It offers a compartment in the base for the legs and setup materials. One small difference is the seat cushion is securely stitched onto the base of the ottoman as opposed to connecting via Velcro. This ensures that while moving around the ottoman, the cushion won't come loose. The Mojuraa Randall sofa is about the size you would expect from a 3-seater sofa, if not a little smaller. Due to design choices, the sofa is lightweight, which makes it easy to move around on, especially during setup. On screen now is the full dimension information for the 3-seater sofa and the accompanying ottoman. The sofa has a weight capacity of 250 pounds per seat, while the ottoman has a capacity of 300 pounds. Shipping is free from Mojuraa as long as you live in the contiguous United States. Shipping is only available in the contiguous US. When returning a Mojuraa piece of furniture, it will need to be in the original packaging and initiated within 14 days of purchase. They will charge the round-trip shipping costs and a 20% restocking fee. However, you will also have the option to exchange your sofa for a different one from Mojuraa at no cost for the first exchange. I would recommend the Mojuraa Randall sofa if you like the leather look and a buttery soft feel. Mojuraa covered their Randall lineup completely in oil wax leather, filled the cushions with a combination of pocketed coils and polyfoam, and stuffed the back cushions with poly filling. This all works in combination to create an incredibly comfortable sofa. In addition, it's easy to assemble, taking about 20 minutes for 2 people to complete. Essentially, only the legs need to be attached and the cushions removed from the intelligently designed storage space. Due to this space, the sofa is relatively lightweight, making it easier to move around as needed. Ultimately, it's an incredibly comfortable sofa, and if you like the leather look, it would make a perfect addition to any home. Well guys, if this video, I hope you found it helpful. For comments, questions, please drop us those notes down below. If you're interested in buying the Mojuraa, we've got a link in the description. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and this is our moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.